to the 7th episode of the Advent Calendar series.
And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever we upload these at 10 a.m. Central Time every day.
I think you meant the bell. Anyways, Noah, who built this?
Our father built this magnificent Advent calendar, possibly the largest inside the power set of the multiverse.
He's right. He's exactly right. That's true.
It's got 5 items in each compartment for each kid that our parents have.
24
It has 24 compartments. Not really, it's 22, but we're reusing 2 of them, not 20 of them.
5 children are me, her, him,
And
him,
Bob.
and him. So what day is it, brother and sister?
Today is the 14th of May.
Today is December 7th.
That's right. So today we're going to be opening up number 7.
I was just a couple months off.
Micah,
move! Micah! Ladder coming through! Oh, move out of the way. Ow! Why? Alright, so first we've got essentials for babies and kids.
Wow! What is that, actually?
I think this is for Luca.
Give it to Emma, she'll describe
I mean,
it.
I'm assuming it's like shampoo and conditioner.
Oh no, somebody's giving away the secret!
Stop.
Micah, no! No, Micah! No!
It includes shampoo and body wash, nourishing body lotion, a baby cradle calf care, bye-bye boo-boo pack, and soothing balm.
Micah, guess what you got? This thing is heavy.
Is it? Oh,
You got a bunch of balls.
That's Micah.
so these are the new Pick Me Pop bubble drops. So thank you, Moose, for sending us these 3 products. These are Micah's and mine.
What are you feeling?
Whoa, it barfs. Look at that.
That's amazing. That's pretty good.
Good bubble.
Get a rare one.
more.
Find a rare.
It's pretty cool. Oh, it's all glittery. Do you like it?
Wow. That's not
Oh, it's cute.
No, don't play with it. I think it's really interesting.
I do too. I actually kind of like it.
With the little circles.
Oh, I wasn't looking at the surface.
Wow.
Just wanted to
Oh.
look at the name.
No.
All right,
We
let's
gotta
go.
open them all.
These are exciting.
No. I want to open them all.
Alright, so next one.
What we got?
We've got some bins.
Some vinyls.
Some vinyls.
Because if you didn't catch it in the first
You've
episode,
got Pink Floyd.
I got a
Mine.
vinyl player.
You've also got Pink Floyd.
it's a great
Oh, no,
album.
this one's mine. This
If
is
you don't know
Noah's.
what this
Got the
is,
Shins.
this is a very classic Pink
And
Floyd
I've
album.
got Arctic Monkeys and Depeche Mode.
We got these for each other. As like each other Christmas presents.
I got gorillas in the shins.
I got Arctic Monkeys, Depeche Mode.
But mine has a button in it. See?
Sorry.
Whoa. They've got the lyrics.
But this is Arctic Monkeys. I'm sure that they just took this behind stage at one point. It was like, hey, that looks cool.
We can't show B-roll because you know how YouTube works, don't you? We can't play music.
But we can show them vinyl turning around.
Tell me a song you love.
One of my favorite songs on this album is So Now What, and my favorite on this is
Kansas.
Kansas.
Enjoy the silence. And I just like Arctic Monkeys.
Oh, mine's Another Brick in the Wall Part 2, which is, you know, obviously.
Good music. We have good taste.
I like the
Anyway,
exceptions
thank
sometimes.
you for buying me these, brother and sister.
You're welcome, brothers. And let's open more of these Pick Me Pops because they're interesting.
I am actually
I actually love these, and I will
I
never...
actually like them better than Pink.
Micah likes taking out the squishy parts and doing that with them.
But it's funny, so.
Squishy.
If you're
Tangled.
watching Premiere, thanks for joining us. That was nice of you.
Oh!
I got an ultra rare one.
Whoa!
I got a common!
I got Wob.
He's ultra rare.
Yeah.
Wob?
Look at this guy, though.
Nice.
Wah.
Now it's gonna be really hard to put him back in.
I think this is Swing, and he is rare. A monkey.
I
I've
got.
only gotten
It
common.
looks like a parrot or something. This one is
I don't think that's
Pop Dog.
Pop dog.
Pop Dog.
There you go.
Then we got Bobble, which is an ultra rare.
Whoa.
Maybe. Wait, I might be wrong. I think I am. Hold on. Hold your horses.
It looks like a horse. It's got like a mane.
It's Hoof.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
Well, good thing you said it.
Well, it doesn't fit the description of it. Exactly.
Well, Noah. My favorite.
Because-
Okay.
Oh yeah. because
So
it
what's
does
your
have the
favorite
letters.
ones?
I like the
I like this one.
Penguin one, wherever that one went.
You mean Wob?
Yeah, I like Wob.
Are you ready?
Yep.
I'm ready. Woo!
There you go. I did 6 at a time, Micah.
Thanks for watching episode 7. Tune in tomorrow at 10 a.m. for episode 8.
That's right.
And we're premiering every single one of these episodes. And our mom is being a moderator, a manager for the chat. So she'll be answering questions. You can ask her things, and sometimes she might reply with something dumb, like Emma loves the color
Magenta.
green. Teal. Yeah, she'll say something dumb maybe.
But you like teal.
I do.
And
Because I
sometimes
don't
she
know
might
how to
ask us, and then you get our real deal responses and not from our mom.
Somebody said this advent calendar wasn't as good as last year's, and they were lying. That was a garbage opinion.
Ding dong.
I disagree.
Because this is cool, and our numbers look cooler, and they're really hard to cut out.
Our
And
numbers look cool,
and-
as in our YouTube numbers.
It's bigger.
Heyo.
it's bigger, it's better,
Your opinion
It's
is
bigger.
factually
It's
inaccurate.
better.
and it's still a bunch of advertisements.
That's right.
Yes. It's a bunch of advertisements. It's bigger.
But
which
hey,
means
isn't the
better.
Macy's Day Parade just a bunch of advertisements? And everyone watches that.
So thanks for watching. Just comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Bye.
See you next time, YouTube.
Click these rectangles, click this circle, subscribe.